Don't drink tap water, because tap water is poison, and at the end of the day, you don't really know what kind of chemicals they are putting in your tap water.
I don't like them putting chemicals in the water that turn the friggin' frogs gay. Do you understand that?
What we do know for sure is that they are putting fluoride in it, which kills your brain cells. So, what you need to do instead is to locate a natural, local spring of water and get your water from there. And don't do it like I'm doing it. Don't use plastic, because plastic is filthy. It fills you up with a bunch of microplastics and other poisons, and it's just not good in general for your health or for the environment. The invention of plastic was one of the worst things that the human race has ever done. I use plastic right now because I don't really have a better substitute. What would be ideal is some kind of a big water skin that I can put on my back, like a backpack. But no, I don't have that right now, so I have to use plastic, but I want to get rid of it as soon as I can. So don't drink tap water. Drink natural, real water. Science doesn't even matter. What would you rather drink? Would you rather drink pure natural water that's healthy and good? Or would you rather drink water that's been recycled 1,000 times over from your toilet and that comes to you through a net of pipes that are rusty and made out of metal and are filthy? I choose my natural water any day. So that's about it.